This is a banger thing.
Who da dey na the bar? Money man don't call na the bar. Hey, who da dey na the bar? Diamond boy don't drop na the bar. Who da dey na the bar? Money man.
What's up, team Fullest? This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So today I'm here again with another skincare routine, skincare video. So I picked up some new skincare products. If you guys have seen my last video, I show you guys, I did an unboxing of some of the products that I picked up. I picked up some few of the Ordinary products. I've already have the Ordinary 10% HA this one because the name is just kind of crazy to pronounce. I already have this one which I have been using now for a while now, and you guys know I really love it. It's just really amazing. I love the way it makes my skin feels, gets rid of all those blemishes and everything, and I really love it. So I decided to pick some few more of the Ordinary products. So I picked their face mask. This is like the vampire face mask. I just pick this up. If you live in Holland, you can get all of this stuff at the Douglas. That's where I get it, and I picked this up at the Douglas as well. I have not really tried this one yet. And also what I picked up is the Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% Toning Solution. I also picked this one. One thing I've learned is that you can't use all of these products in one routine. No, you have to choose which one you can use. You can't mix everything together. But for today's video, I really want to try this on its own. This is the one I want to try today. But first, I'm going to wash my face. And also one thing I've known since I start using this, but I've been doing this for a long time, so for me it's not like a problem, because I always make sure I have my SPF sun protective cream on my face. No matter whether it's summer or winter, I always make sure I have an SPF sun protective cream. So this is my favorite. This is what I used to use. This is what I've been using now for a while now, and I really love how this one, I'm almost out of it. I really love how this one feels on my skin, how it makes my skin. It's just very nice. I really love it. And also this is the face moisturizer that I have been using. So normally these are the two face cream that I will use on my face whenever I'm done washing my face. These are the two products I will use. So I pick up a new cleanser, and so I decided to pick also the face moisturizer. So I decided to pick up this new cleanser. This is a foam cleanser, like a gel foam cleanser kind of thing. I decided to pick this one up, and I also decided to pick up their moisturizer, and this one also had SPF 25 in it. I come across this product. There's this guy on YouTube that I've been watching for a while now, and he do talk about skincare products that are nice for your skincare if you have sensitive to oily skin. And so he talked about this product, and I thought, you know what, I haven't seen some great reviews on this product. Let me give it a try. So I pick it up, and I want to come and give it a try today with the glycolic acid that I picked up from the Ordinary. So first, what I'm going to do, I'm first going to wash my face, and I also have this one here, so I can use this one to apply the product on my face. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to start first with lukewarm water, not too hot, not too cold, and I always make sure my product is already open. Make sure I put water on my face first. You gotta make sure you have water on your face, even though I take my makeup off, but make sure I have water on my face. And then I'm going to take my product, as you guys can see. I'm just going to put it on my finger like this, and now I'm just going to gently massage this into my skin. Gentle, just be gentle. I like to use this finger and just massage everything into the skin. And it smells pretty nice. It doesn't really have a bad smell, because I was thinking how it's gonna smell so awful, but it smells pretty good. So you're just going to massage. I don't want to use my face brush because this is my first time using this glycolic acid, and I have a sensitive skin, so I don't want to like scrub my face so bad and then using it and then later on my skin start burning, because I also noticed with the other acid I have been using, the peeling solution, when I scrub my face and then I put it on, I get like a burning sensation. So I have been noticing that, so I don't want to have the same thing on that one, on this one. So that's the reason why I thought, you know what, let me just use my finger to just wash my face instead of using a brush. So I'm going to take my towel, I'm going to put it across lukewarm water, soak the towel, and I'm going to take my towel, I'm just going to gently wipe off all the use also the towel to like rub your skin if anything is clogged. Yeah. Oh, it feels so good. Get all the makeup around my eyes. Yeah, feels better. So now I'm just going to rinse my face with lukewarm water, but not too warm, not too cold, just in between. Now I'm just going to wash my towel with warm water and some black soap. My face feels really good, like my skin feels really good. So I'm just gonna take the towel and just wipe off any excess water on my face, because I don't really use towel. I forgot to bring the tissue paper, because normally I will either use tissue paper on my face or I'll allow the water to dry on its own naturally. I try not to use towel on my face. If I do, I'll always use this one that I use to remove my makeup with. I try and wash it with some black soap and then just try to get rid of all the excess water on my face. So now that my face is pretty kind of dry, so now it's time to try this product. I'm a bit nervous. Let's just take this one and just pad for any excess water. Excuse the car if you guys can hear the car moving. Yeah, my skin is pretty dry. So let's give this bad boy a try. One thing I've learned, I've watched a lot of tutorials on how to use this. You have to avoid your eye area, your contour, the contour of your eye and your eye area. So you're just gonna try to apply it around this area, your forehead and your nose, and just avoid this area. You're gonna try to avoid that. So now I'm going to open it like this. I'm going to put enough, soak it, make sure not everywhere, but like so that I can have somewhere to hold. I'm first going to start around my mouth. Yeah, I tell you, my skin is very sensitive, even though try as much to avoid the contour of my eyes. I did put enough to do the whole face. Okay, so you can just allow that to dry. I'm just going to take it also a little bit underneath my neck. Ooh. Yeah. Just gonna take a little bit more. Not too much, just a little bit this time. I want to focus more around my mouth because that is where I have the most problem around my mouth. If you guys remember, I used to have this very dark line. I still do have it, but it's much more better since I have been using the peeling solution. It's much more better now. So guys, now I'm just going to close. I love the fact it comes with this pump thing and it's very easy to use. It's very nice. So now you're just gonna allow this to dry for a little bit. I'm gonna wash my hands because I don't want to touch my eyes with this one. You're gonna allow this one to dry for a little bit. I love the smell of this face wash. It's just so nice. Ik ben even bezig. Ja, ik kom zo. Als je klaar bent, ik roep je zo. So excuse my son. So now I'm going to take my SPF sun protective cream, even though it's at night. I'm almost out of this one, but I just want to finish it before I open the new one that I just bought. So I'm just gonna take that. The solution has dried up and I'm just going to moisturize my face. I always love using a sun protective cream on my face. It just makes my skin looks nice, you know. And this one is also a moisturizer, so it's not only like a sun protective cream, but it's like a sun protective cream and a moisturizer 2-in-1, which is also very beneficial. I like to bring it down to my neck. So yeah, this is it. This is how I use my glycolic acid 7%. So yeah, now I'm done. My face is looking very shiny, very fresh, but I'm done now. So I'm just going to sit down and edit some videos, and then from there your girl is going to bed. Just like to hang this one here after cleaning it. So I hope you all like this. If you guys have tried this, let me know. I'll definitely come back to do also a face mask with this vampire face mask thing, but for now let's just stick with this one. So yeah, this is a new night routine. I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out. Bye.